to share something. Thank you. I think it's profound and so beautiful, because for us, I like to pull a card, not necessarily when we're together, but also like, what does vibrational revelations mean? And the card for vibrational revelations had a mothership. And I have to share that because it's exactly what you just said. Yes, it's all of us, but there is this divine force that is guiding this whole thing. And, when Alejandro and I prepare for episodes, I always say, we're not doing this. Something else is guiding this. And it is so powerful and so beautiful. And it's so humbling, because we just have to surrender what shows up. And thank you for confirming, because we deeply feel so connected to each and every one of you here.
Imagine everyone is waiting for that moment, right? And you're on your dials, you're tuning in already, consciously or unconsciously, but you're doing it by bringing it to your awareness, and you're by focusing your attention towards, okay, I'm going to do this at 12 o'clock. Oh, well, 12 o'clock our time, whatever your time zone is. And that's when you're ready, you're connecting, tuning into that channel, right? And everyone is tuning into the same channel. And yes, it's exactly how it works. And we're entangled, that happens, that we experience constantly, 24/7. And that's very beautiful when it's done consciously, right? And not on autopilot anymore. When we put our intention into it, which is, that of unity, connection, and a deeper connection, and love and compassion, and all these things, that makes it very, a magical journey.
Yeah, it has. And this is why we always say it is a co-creative process here with each and every one of you, because you're bringing something to all of us that perhaps none of us were even aware of. But because of this light that is shining into the specific region, let's say we can say of its shadow, of the shadow, that like geoengineering, we're all much more aware and perhaps tuned in to figure out what is next, open doors even further.